Another video, and in this video today I am going to teach you how to do the rate analysis of the any building. Okay, so for example, you are going to construct a building. Okay, so you are going to make a building. So in that case, what is happening is, see, you have to do the rate analysis. For example, let's say you don't know uh, before you plan to make the building, so you don't know how much material is required and how much uh, amount should be spent to construct a building, no. So for that purpose, let's say you have to bring, no, you have to bring the materials, such as bricks, cement bag, steel rod, bar, no, marble, everything. So no, so bar, reinforcement, all the materials which is required at the site, to prepare, no, what the labor and construction, labor will say, mystery, no, together will say on the basis. But what is happening here on the, on the what we all civil engineer prepare, no, on the basis of the preparation of civil engineers. First of all, civil engineers will do the rate analysis. For this material this much cost is required, for this material this much cost is required, no, for this material this much cost is required, this much. So this thing is based on the rate analysis. So we are going to do the rate analysis of the each materials and for each part of the building. So this is based on the this video. So I think think so all civil do subscribe to my channel, make you these types of new as possible as I can. Okay, and if you subscribe to my channel, then you get civil engineers knowledge in free of cost. Okay, so many of the civil engineers no have made are making the paid version, paying, and making the, some are giving the, no, some are giving the classes, online classes, and after paying only they are giving the knowledge. But I'm giving you the, my target is to make you expert, okay, in civil engineers work. Okay, all the civil engineers, those who are hearing me and those who are watching me in the YouTube channel. Okay, so my target is that. Okay, so I'm not the selfish civil engineer. So some will do good, some will do bad. No, I'm not that type of civil engineer. So my target is to make you perfect and expert civil engineers. Okay, so if you watch my YouTube channel, then you will automatically, you will be the expert, okay, in civil engineers work. Okay, this is my, no, uh, this is my experience. Okay, so one by one, topic by topic, I will explain you also, and topic standards. Okay, standards. Okay, so okay, so let's let engineers. Okay, so please don't forget to do the subscribe. Okay, so in one subscribe, what you will lose. Okay, nothing will spend your. Okay, so if you subscribe one, or subscribe one, what happened if you subscribe one, uh, just you have to click on the subscribe button. If you subscribe, then it will automatically be subscribed. Okay, so also civil engineers, let's begin. Okay, so uh, see, as you can see here, so for, see, earlier also I told you, no, now I am going to do the what, rate analysis of the construction material. So see, so for M20 grade, see, as you can see, now I am going to do the rate analysis. So for what rate analysis I'm going to do, for the preparation of the column, for the preparation of beam, for the preparation of slab, for the preparation of saja. Make how, what material is required and how much material is required, that I'm going to calculate. Uh, that rate I'm going to calculate. And for the preparation of slabs, how much material is required, uh, and what material, what types of materials are required, that amount I'm going to calculate. And for the beams, for the preparation of the beams, what type of materials, as you can see here, if you follow to my cursor, then you can easily understand. Okay, so and okay, listen listen as well as follow to my mouse cursor. Okay, so that you can easily understand. Okay, understand. Okay, so to prepare the beams, these cement, fly ash, grit, aggregates, plasticizers. Okay, these all things will, but what amount and how much, that we are going to calculate. Okay, so for the preparation of the columns, what materials we require, and what no, which materials, and how to prepare, that all amounts we are going to calculate. See, and see, in rate analysis of construction of the building materials, this column material column will be constant, quantity column will be constant, wastage percentage will be column will be constant, and this total quantity column will be constant, unit column will be constant, rate column will be constant, and the amount column will be constant. See, this is the sample we all civil engineers we use. Okay, so we use these types of sample. Okay, every civil engineers has its one, no, but this is only one sample. Every civil engineers are using this. Okay, so these things, many of the civil engineers will not say these okay, tips. Okay, so because they are using, but some of the civil engineers are being the selfish, so they hide their works. Okay, they want they don't want to show, and they don't want to express, and they some of the civil engineers don't want to be that others be the good. Okay, other be expert, and other be no, others civil engineers can do good in their future. Okay, so that I'm not the selfish type of civil engineer, so my aim is to, my target is to make you expert. Okay, so I'm not like other civil engineers. Okay, so see for the preparation. So now see this, as we are looking here, grade. Okay, M20 grade. Okay, grade. Okay, so this is not, this is grade of concrete, means suppose we are making the concrete materials. No, in that case we have a different types of grade of concrete. Okay, so mix of grade. So M20 means, here M20 is what, ratio of concrete materials, means where cement, sand, and aggregates we mix together, and we may prepare the concrete materials. No, so now this part is over. Now come to the, so for this item we have taken the one M20, M20. No, for this preparation of the column, slab, beam, and chhaja, we have taken the M20 grade of concrete. So how we will, and unit, see, for this chart, unit will be the per quantity. Okay, per quantity will be the per cubic meter. Okay, so per cubic, per 1 cubic. Okay, so see, in material, what material we have taken? Cement we have taken, fly ash we have taken, grit we have taken, aggregate we have taken, plasticizers we have taken. Okay, so now as you can see, let's say cement, how much we have taken? Cement we have taken the 6. Okay, 6 bag. Okay, and then wastage percentage is 3%. We have taken quantity 6 bags. Okay, but wastage we have a 3 wastage percentage is 3, because no more require this. If we take the, no, 6 bags, then no, approximately, no, obviously there will be some loss. No, we don't use the 100% cement there. Okay, some, if we cut, no, no, sack a bag of cement, that time some cement are getting lost. No, that type of, so wastage of cement is 3%. No, and then total quantity is how much? Total quantity we have taken how much? Total quantity we have taken the 6.18 cubic. Okay, this is quantity. uh, all I told you whole cubic meter. No, so we have taken the quantity, so this will be how much cubic? Okay, 6.18 cubic. And here unit, cement, cement is not in kg, not in square. Okay, so cement is always in bags. Okay, so its unit is always bag. Okay, so, and rate, as a rate you can see, rate you can see how much cement rate is how much 140. Okay, 140. Then total amount will be how much? Total amount will be how much? Because 20 here here it has taken the how much 6. So amount will be 865.20. Okay, so and you can do in calculator also. Now you can see how much quantity it has taken. So 140 into 6 if you do, then no, total quantity is how much? 6.18. So we can do here in left hand side. Okay, so how much here is the quantity? So let it some, okay, do here. Hmm. So not this 6 no 6 140 no 6. So we can do in calculator is equal to sign, and then how much? 6.18 into how much? If we do, then how much it is coming? 6. As you can see, 865.2 is coming or not. You can do in right hand side in the space place. Okay, so as you can see, uh, now you can see this much came, no? So 865.20. So in this way this amount came. Okay, after calculation on this amount came here. So now coming to fly ash. Fly ash is like cement but not the cement. Okay, so this quantity we have taken the quantity how much? Quantity 1.52. Okay, and the wastage is here how much? 3. Wastage percentage is 3%. Okay, and total quantity we have taken the 1.57, no, 1.57 bags. Okay, and then the rate is how much? Rate is 50. Okay, cubic. It is how much? 50. Then if you multiply 50 into 1.57, then how much it will come? It will be 78.25, 28, 78.2. After multiplication of this quantity and rate. So let us do in calculator how much it is coming. Better we use calculator. Okay, so why do you go move the cursor? No, calculator. Mm. Okay, and then you can see now we'll do in calculator how much I told you. 1.1.57 1.57 into 50. If you do, then how much it will come? See, yeah, what I mean. 78.5. It is coming some no. So the 78.5. So this means and here it has taken the 1.52, not the 1.57 into how much? 1.52 into 50. 76. Okay. So we have to neglect this. Not we have to take. We have to take this because 3% wastage also it has gone here. No. So we take this. We consider this value, not this value. Okay. So this will be so some. Mm, mm, okay. So 1.57, 1.57 into 50. If you do, then how much it will go? No, 78. Approximately. Okay. This much only. No. No. Now you know, so now we how much grit and how much grit will take quantity, how much? 0.40. Okay, 40 volume only, no, not the 1 kg, not the 2 kg. We take them only 0.40 quantity volume. Okay, and here is also the wastage of how much percent, and wastage will be the 10%. Okay, as you can see here we have to do the wastage 10%, and then similarly here total quantity will be how much? Total quantity we have taken the 0.44, and its unit will be the grid unit will be the how much? Cubic. Okay, so this is volume, so cubic. Okay, so the cubic means you have to understood meter cube. Okay, the, meter cube you have to understood like that. Okay, cubic means power 3. Okay, not the square. Cubic. The rate is how much? The rate is 22 point 229.32. Okay, 229.32. So this amount is how much? So after calculation, but here is the 10% also, and here is the wastage of how much? 10%. So decreases here. Okay, although the rate is how much? 229.32. So we have to reduce this after multiplication. How much it will come? It is come how much? 100.90. So multiply these two with this. Okay, so let's do how much it is coming in calculator. Okay, so now you can do, let's say 0.0.44 into 0.44 into 229.3. Okay, so how much it is coming? So 100.90 it is coming or not coming? So in this way you have to do. You can use calculator, or either you can do in no, by using the calculator app, uh, on the display you can do. Now coming to aggregate, how much we have taken? Aggregates quantity we have taken the 0.95, 0.95, and then wastage percentage we have taken the how much? 5%. So here is the wastage of how much aggregate? 5%. Total quantity how much? So 1.00. Okay, 1.00, and unit is cubic. Okay, so this is also we have taken not in K. So this will be cubic, and the rate is how much? Rate is how much? 93.92. So here is the total quantity is only one. So we multiply, after multiplying for 1 into, if you multiply 1 into 493.92, then this will be how much? 92.691 only, not more than that. Okay, so we will get the amount this much. Okay, so now we are going to check the material plasticizer. Okay, so plasticizer, how much we have taken? The 1.14 quantity, and wastage percentage is how much? Wastage percentage of the plasticizer is here 5%, and total quantity we have taken the 1.20. Okay, so 1.20, and the unit is taken how much? Liter. So this plasticizer is liquid. Okay, so this will be in liter, not in, okay, kg. So this will be in liter. Now and the rate is how much here? The rate is 40. Okay, so rate is 40. Now multiply 40 with how much? Multiply 40 with 1.20. 1.20. Okay, so if you do, then how much it will come? It will come 48. See, it has not we can round up, not it has not done the round up, so we can do after round up. This will be approximately 48 only. Okay, so okay, so 48 you can do. Okay, so this much. Now we are once we get this, then what to do? We have no, so we have the total cost material. Total cost material is how much? Total cost material is 1 2 3 4 5. Total cost material is this, and then total labor cost we don't require now, because we are doing the rate analysis of the material only, not we are adding the labor. Okay, so for this we have to do the another thing. Okay, so total cost of material and the labor will be how much? So this will be, this time we are neglecting the labor cost. Okay, so don't have to add the, we don't have to do the addition of the labor cost. Okay, so do one thing. Okay, so add this, sum this all amount. Okay, so 865.20, 78.28, 100.90, 492.69, 47.88. If you sum this all, then this much 1584.95 will come. If not come, then no. I will show you, and you can ask me then how it comes. Okay, you do, let's do the addition. It is coming or not? Okay, so 865. Okay, 865.20 plus 865. Okay, let's say 865. 865 plus 20 plus 50 plus 229.32 plus 493 point how much? 92, and plus how much? 40 plus sorry, we have done the for the rate, not we are doing the what amount only. So 865.20 plus 78.28 and plus 100.90 plus and plus 492.69 plus 40, sorry, point. So after doing the calculation, see, 1584.95. It is coming on 1584.95. So this way you can do the what? You can do the rate analysis of the material. Okay. So this we have done for the this we have done for the column, beam, slab, saja. Okay. And another for another we have to will make the another column, beam, slab and saja for. Okay. So we let it be anything. Okay. So item we have taken this time we have taken the here we have taken the M20 grade of concrete. This time we are taking the M25 grade of concrete. This much only the difference. So we use location. Location is how much? Column, beam, slab and saja. Okay. So unit will be how much? Per cubic meter. Okay. So per cubic. Okay. So this time only difference is with previously we have taken the M20 grade of concrete, and this time we are taking the how much? M25 grade of concrete. So material will be the same: cement, fly ash, grit, aggregate and plasticizer. But only here will be the difference is what? Difference in quantity, wastage. This column will be same. See, this material column will be the same, quantity will be the somehow different. Okay. So and then wastage of material will be the different. Okay. Total quantity will be the different, but column will be the same. Okay. Topic will be the same, unit will be the same. So here is only the magic of edition. Okay. If you edit the value, if you edit the value, and only there is important role of in the edit. Okay. So in Excel sheet. Okay. So if you edit the value, if you edit the no, so that much only required. Okay. So in this work. Okay. So rate will be also the constant, unit will be the also the constant, and the amount will be the different, because on the basis of how much bag, how much quantity we use, on the basis of that it will work. Okay. So now let's say now I am beginning. So cement material we have taken the quantity how much? 6.20. Cement wastage of cement is 3%. We have not used the 100%. So 100% will be the no wastage. Quantity we have taken the 6.20, and total quantity we have taken the 6.39. Okay. 6.39. And cement bags is cement all units is always bag. Okay. So cement can be bag, not okay. So we are suppose we are buying from market, then no. So then what we are buying? We are buying the sack. Okay. This much sack. Okay. That much sack. So it is in the same bag. Okay. So cement unit will be the bag. So now rate will be the rate of cement is here how much? 140. Okay. This is the world. So this rate, compare this rate of now. This will cement is how much? Sack of cement is how much? Cement is how much? Some sack of cement comparing to 2024. This time I have taken the previous year. Okay. So this I have prepared previous year. Okay. So if we do the rate of cement, present rate of cement, then this will be the vary. Okay. This will be different. So present rate of cement is somewhere depending upon the quality of the cement. Okay. So somewhere it is the 650, somewhere is 700, 750. Okay. So we have different types of cement. Okay. We have PVC cement, and we have the no Portland cement. Okay. So we have two types of cement. We have many types of cement: Gaida cement, and the Soria cement, Maruti cement. These all are cement, and these all cement factories are located in where? In Sierra district. Okay. So in Mirchaya, it is located there. Okay. So from there, the cement is supplying from no one place to another place. and from different places. Okay, so now we have discussed the cement part. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the see rate. I told you 140. Then if we multiply 6.39 into 140, then how much it will come? It will come 6 point. It will come how much? It will, let's say do how much it will come. Let's don't say. We'll do one by one and then we'll see. Okay. Then how much it will come? 6.39 into 6.39 into how much? 6.39 into 140. If you do, then how much it will come? It will come 894.6. Okay, so this much. But here is the wastage also. No, no. We have to do the minus of this. Okay, so this will be the wastage. So 894.6. Okay, so here we can write here 6. Okay, 889 for how much? 4 894.6. No, so it is 894.6. Okay, so this you can write 894.6. Now as we have to take how much as quantity we have taken the how much we have taken the 1.52, and the wastage here as as what, how much percentage is wastage here? There is the wastage percentage of the fly ash is how much? 3%. Similarly, total quantity we have taken the 1.57. Okay, 1.57 bags, and then rate of the fly ash is how much? 50. So if you multiply 50 with how much? 50 with 1.7, 1.57, then how much it will come? 1.57. 50 into 1.57. Okay, so how much it will? 2.5. So 70 here it has taken the how much? 2. So this we have to edit here. Okay, how much it is? 78.5. Okay, 78.5. We have to write down here 78.5. Okay, so 78.50. Okay, so now coming to grit quantity, how much we have to take? We have to take the 0.40, and the wastage will be here. The wastage percentage of the grit will be how much? 20%, and the total quantity of the grit will be how much? 0.48. And the will be grit always will be in cubic. Okay, cubic, and the rate of grit will be how much? 229.32. Okay, 229.32, and then rate amount will be how much? Amount will be 110.07. Okay, so let's do in calculator. It's coming exactly or not? Okay, so how much it is? What to do? See, 0.48 into 0.48 into 229.32. Okay, so how much it is coming? 110.07. It is coming or not? This is correct. Okay, so no need to edit. Okay, this. Okay, so now coming to aggregate. So how much quantity we have to take the aggregate? Aggregate we have to take the 0.59. This quantity, let's say this quantity is nothing but this volume. Okay, this volume we are taking also quantity. How much we are taking? Aggregate 0.95, and the wastage percentage of the aggregate is how much? 5%. 5% only. This time we will do wastage of only 5%. Wastage of only 5%, and then total quantity will be how much here? 1.00. Okay, so 1.00. 1.00. Okay, so and aggregate will be in, this is also will be in cubic unit. Okay, so no need to do the addition of this unit. Okay, so now rate, and the rate of aggregate is how much here? 493.92. Okay, so let's multiply. See, this is total quantity. How much we have taken? Total quantity we have taken only one. So if we multiply 493.92 into 1, then this will be this. So here something is mistake again. So here we have 93.490. this 493 point how much 92. Okay, 493.92. So this much it will come. Now coming to plus quantity, how much quantity we have to take the plasticizer? We have to take the plasticizer 1.14 only. Okay, 1.14 volume only. Okay, so so this is coming. So antivirus. So this is popping. Okay, popping up. So I have to keep the antivirus. It is not in my so PC. Okay, so so I have to keep SSD also. So to make the PC fast. So it is not plasticizer. So now plasticizer coming to plasticizer. Okay, so how much quantity we will take the plasticizer this time? Okay, this time we'll take the 1.14 volume only. Okay, so wastage percentage we will do this time only 5%, not more than that. Okay, and then total quantity we have to take the 1.20. Okay, and this is earlier also I told you the plasticizer is the liquid. Okay, so the liquid this will be in liter, its unit will be no change. Okay, so and its rate, the rate will be how much here? Follow to my mouse cursor, then only you will understand. Okay, so plasticizer rate is how much? 40. So now this time we multiply 1 point, multiply this, oh sorry, multiply this with, so how much? Let's clear first. 40 into 40 into 1.20, 40 into 1.20, if you do, then how much it is coming? 48. So there here it has not the round up, so we can do the let's see it. So let's see it. Okay, so it is 48. So we write that down now, approximately 48. So here this we have done. Now do the calculation, sum this all, then this will come. Okay, so after doing the calculation how much it is coming, that much only we will write, not more than that, not less than that. Okay, so now let's do 894.60 plus 78.50 plus 110.07 plus 493.92 plus 48. If you do, then how much it will come? It will come 1625.09. It is coming. So it is approximately this much only. Okay, so this is correct. Okay, so this time total labor cost is how much? 250. So for this construction we will give the how much labor cost? 250. So let's do plus 250 also, 250 also, and then after how much? 1875.09, 1875.09 it is coming. So came no. So once we get this, then the total the material cost plus labor cost will be how much? 1875. Okay, so this will be the same. Now coming to how, what? Now coming to again only material. This time we will do the only for the calculation for the material. Okay, let's say, and this time we are taking the how much? Which grade of concrete? M25 grade of concrete, as you can see here, and the location. And this time we are preparing for this this will use for the column also, beam also, slab also, and saja also. Okay, per cubic. Okay, here what to do for cement? This time we will take how much? And this we are this we are doing for the what? We are doing for the material. Okay, okay, we are doing for the material. So 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 similarly quantity will be how much? 6. Quantity will be how much? 6. Quantity will be how much? 6. And the wastage percentage we will take the 3% only. Quantity and total quantity how much we will take? We will take the 6.59, and this unit will be bags only. And the rate will be 140, and then multiply this 140 into 6 point how much? 640 into 6.59. If you do, then how much it will? 922.6. 922.6. Boy. 900. 900.6 only, not 88. Okay, so we edit this. Okay, 900, 922.6, 922.6. Okay, so this much only. So we will not do this now. Fly ash. Okay, so now we are going to do the rate analysis for how much fly ash. So quantity we have taken the fly ash, how much? 1.60. Volume, wastage here we are doing for the wastage we have done the 3% only. And total quantity you have to take the fly ash, how much? 1.65. And the fly ash you have to take the how much? This unit will be the same. Fly ash always measure in bags. Okay, so and the rate you have to take the how much? 50. And fly ash rate is 50. So this time you multiply 50 with 1.65. Okay, so 1.65 if you do, then how much it will come? 50 into 50 into 1.65. How much it will come? 82.5. Okay, 82.5. But here we have to edit this time. Okay, so calculation we have edited wrong. 82.5. Okay, so 82.5. Okay, so this will be 82.5. Okay. So okay, into grid. Okay, so this time we are doing the rate analysis for material only. Previously we have done the for the material plus labor also. This time we are doing the rate analysis for what? Rate analysis for only material, not for labor. Okay, so so now coming to grid quantity we have taken the 0.40. No, quantity we have taken the 0.40, and then wastage percentage. This time we are doing the wastage how much? 20%. 20%. And then total quantity you have taken the how much? You have to take 0.48. And the grid you have to take the cubic. Okay, its unit will always be cubic. Okay, cubic. Okay, and then rate is how much? Rate, this rate sometimes decreasing, sometimes increasing year by year. This is depending upon the no depending upon the increasing or decreasing. Okay, so depending upon the market. Okay, so rate is how much? 229.32. So now do one thing. Okay, so do one thing. 229 point multiply 229.32 into how much? 0.0.48. Okay, so if you do, then how much it will come? It will have 110.07. Okay, 10.07. Okay. So now after doing aggregate, then aggregate. Okay, so coming to aggregate quantity we have to take the how much? 0.95. And then wastage percentage we have to take the how much? Wastage percentage we have to take the 5%. And then total quantity we have to take the one only. Okay, so unit will be always in mix. Okay, and the rate will be the 493.92. The rate of aggregate is how much? 493.92. So if you multiply the 493.92 by 1, then this will be the 492.93 only. Okay, so here it is. Here we have to do this will be 492.9. So here it is this much you have to edit. Okay, 93.92, 493.92. This much. Here somewhere here we have the calculation was wrong. No, so if you multiply this by this, then this will be this to 493. No change. Okay, so this value will not change. You can do in calculator and you can see. Okay, you can check. Now coming to plasticizer. In plasticizer for the rate analysis. Okay, for plasticizer quantity you have to take how much? 1.12. And the wastage of plasticizer will be how much? 5% only. 5% you can take. And then total quantity you have to take the how much? Total quantity you have to take the 1.18%. 1.18. and the plasticizer, as I told you early, as I told you before, plasticizer is a liquid, so you have to write the unit liter, unit as liter, and the rate will be a plasticizer is how much, 40, and the amount of plasticizer is 47.04, and see the amount and price of plasticizer, price of materials will increase or decrease year by year depending upon the factory, uh, factory manufacture date, or no market price, no, depending on that. Okay, so it will vary depending on year by year. Okay, so this is up to you. Now for I've taken the one sample. Okay, so from sample I'm making you understand. So be, be the confident you can do it, if you be confident that you can, by taking any sample you can do. Okay, so this is the sample. Understand this sample first of all. Okay, so if you understand this sample then you can do easily. Okay, so my target is to make you expert civil engineer. Okay, so don't worry, I'll make you expert. Okay, civil engineer. So now, if you, we have how much total amount now? See, cement, we have the cement amount is how much? 922.60. Fly ash is how much? We have 82.50, and grit is how much? Grit is how much? 110.07. And the aggregate we have how much? Aggregate amount is how much? 493.92, and plasticizer is how much? 47.04. So now this time we sum this all. After summing this, how much it will come? It will come. Let's do in calculator. Then we will see our calculation is correct or wrong. 922.60 plus 996 plus how much? 82.50 plus 110 110.07 plus 493 493.92 plus 92 plus and 47.04 equals to 1656.13. It is approximately correct. Okay, absolutely correct. So in this way you can do the rate analysis for material only. Okay, so now coming to the next part. Okay, so here we have the prepare for the we have prepare the columns. Now we are going to prepare the, we are going to do the rate analysis for slab. Okay, slab preparation, and prepare to prepare slab. Okay, we are this time we are going to take the which grade of concrete, M15 grade of concrete we are going to take. Okay, so for square meter. Okay, so and the thickness, and the slab thickness will be the 50 thickness. Okay, so so this time we are going to do the rate analysis for the what? We are going to do the rate analysis for the slab. So material column will be no change, quantity column will be no change, wastage, this topic will be no change. Okay, so you don't have to change this, you don't have to do this topic. Okay, so topic will be the same, value will only increase or decrease, you can read it. Okay, this but it this but this topic will be the constant. Okay, constant. Now now coming to habitat. Quantity we have to take the how much? 0.25, and the wastage this time we have to do the 3%. Total quantity we have to take the how much? 1.25 cement unit. Cement is always bag. Okay, and rate is 140. See, once we know the rate and once we know the total quantity, then we can multiply it. Okay, so let's multiply how much it is coming. So 140 yeah, into 0. If you do 5, if you do, then how much it is coming? 35. Okay, much only, this much only. So 0.47 is no mistake. This time we have to do the heat. Okay, so this time we have to do it 35 only. It is coming, so you have to write the 35 only. Okay, so now now as we are taking how much? quantity fly 0.05 only, 0.05 only, and the wastage percentage of fly ash is how much 3%, and the total quantity we are taking the 0.05, and the fly ash is always in bags, and the rate of fly ash is how much? Fly ash is 50. Okay, so now let's multiply how much it is coming. 0 50 into 0.5 is how much? 2.5. So 2.5, let's do it's correct. Okay, so our calculation is correct. Coming to material grade quantity, how much we are taking? Quantity of grit is how much? 0.0172 volume only we are taking this time, and the wastage we are doing this time how much? 20%, and total quantity we are taking the 0.027207 total quantity. Unit we are taking this time is cubic. Okay, so grit unit is always cubic. Okay, so now grid rate is how much? 229 point. So once we get the rate of the grid and the total quantity of the grid, then we can multiply this. Okay. So this, let's multiply how much it is coming. So grid 0.0207 into 229.32. If you do, then how much it is coming? 4. So our calculation is correct. Need to worry. Okay, so coming to aggregate. So coming to aggregate, quantity is coming how much? Quantity we have to take the 0.0450 only, and the wastage percentage we have to take the how much? 20%, and the wastage percentage we have to take the 5% only, and then total quantity we have to take the how much? Total quantity we have to take the 0.0473% only. Okay, now the unit of aggregate is cubic. Okay, make. Okay, so and the rate of the aggregate we have to take how much? Rate of the aggregate is 493.92. Okay, so once we get the aggregate and the total quantity of the aggregate, we can multiply. So we have the both value here. So let's do this calculation. Zero, how much it is coming? 0.0473 into 493.92 is coming how much? 23.34. So here we have to edit. So after doing the calculation, it is coming how much? 423.36 it is coming. So our calculation is on. Okay, is on. Okay, how much it is? 23.36. 23.36. So this much only you have to write. Not more, not less. Accurate value you have to write. So now coming to glass strips. So materials. So this time we are taking the material glass strips. So quantity how much we are taking? 0.04, and the wastage percentage we are taking this time how much? 5%. And the total quantity how much we are taking? Total quantity of the glass strips we are taking the 0.0420 only. Okay, and the unit of glass strips is how much? Always in square meter. So square meter, remember be this by heart this. Okay, this glass strips unit is always in square meter, and the rate of glass strip is 237.00. Okay, approximately 237. So once we get the rate of glass strips, and once we get the total quantity of the glass strips, we can multiply. Let's do the multiplication. Let's do the calculation how much it is coming. 0.0420 into 237. How much it is coming? 9.95. 9.95. So in this calculation, this is correct. Okay, so no need to worry, this is correct. So no need to do the addition. Okay, so now we have the total. Okay, total material amount is here. So now we do the what? We sum this all value, then we will get the what? Total value of the materials. Okay, total amount of the material, total amount of the materials. So let's do the calculation how much it is coming. 45 plus 2.2.53 plus 4.4.74 plus 3.36 plus 9.95. Okay, let's do the how much it is 75.59. If we do this round up, this 8 will, if you round up, this will not less. Okay, read here. Okay, 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 75.58. 75.58 only, not more not less. Okay, accurate we will write. So this much it will come. So in this way you can do the what you can do the rate analysis for the slab. Okay, so now this time again we are going to make the what another slab another slab which is of 50 thickness. Okay, and this time also we will take the what which grade of concrete we will use we will use M15 grade of concrete. Okay, so you can see here 15 grade of concrete. Material is cement, fly ash, and grit aggregate only. Okay, previously we have taken the glass strips also we have taken. Now we will not take the glass strips. Without glass strips we will do the rate analysis. Okay, so now what to do is see. So material, how much we will take? We will take the cement 0. Okay, 0 number of the bags, and the wastage we are doing to the this is the we have not taken the cement this time. Okay, for the preparation of this slab. Okay, and the fly ash we have to take the this also we have to take the 0. Okay, grit only will take the how much quantity, how much 0.0161. Okay, and the wastage percentage we are taking the 20%. Okay, and total quantity we will take the how much 0.0193. Okay, and the unit of grit will be how much cubic, and the rate of grit is how much 229.32. And once we know the rate and the total quantity, then you can multiply. Let's multiply how much it is coming. Okay, let's multiply. So 0.010193 multiply by 229.32. If you do, then how much it is coming? 4.42. 4. This is approximately absolutely correct. No do the addition. Okay, this we don't have to do the edit. Okay, so this is absolutely correct. Now coming to aggregate quantity, how much we have taken the aggregate quantity we have taken the 0.0450. Okay, this quantity we have taken this much, and wastage percentage this time we are doing 5% only. Okay, how much percent we are doing the wastage? Only 5%. And the total quantity we have taken the 0.0473, and the unit of aggregate is cubic. Okay, and the rate of aggregate is how much 493.92. 493.92. So once we get the rate of material and the quantity, total quantity of the material, then we can multiply. So let's multiply how much it is coming. Total quantity is how much 0.04473 into 493.92. Okay, so this much it is how much it is coming 23.36. So this time the alcohol value did this value, so 23.34 not 34 23.36. Okay, so accurate value we have to write. So now do one thing, we have to do the addition of this. Okay, so after the addition this much is coming or not, so we will see. Let's do. Okay, how much it is coming 4.42 plus 4.42 plus 23.36. See, 27.78. It is absolutely correct. So this is the total material cost is 27.78, and the total labor cost we have to take the how much 20. Okay, here see this time this cost is what? This cost is labor cost. See, suppose if you bring all this material, no, so that labor will put that all the materials. in no in the transport in the vehicle, no, in the transport. So that cost is added here 20%. So we have to uh, mark this point. Okay, so this 20, after doing this, how much it is coming? So let's do 20 plus 20, 20 plus 20, how much? 40, 47 and point 78. So this is correct, no need to do the edit. Okay, so we have done this, and then next we are going to prepare the again another slab, and this will be the same. But we will increase or decrease the what? This is the to prepare. We are going to prepare, but this time we will sometimes we will increase. So this time we have increases or decreases the we in this in slab 2 we don't have to, we have not taken the what cement. We have not taken the cement. This time we will take the cement also. Okay, and then early we we have not taken the fly ash also. This time we will take the slab fly ash also. Okay, so let's do to do the rate analysis for the slab 3. So material cement material the quantity will be how much? 0.23, and the wastage percentage will take the how much? 3% only. This time we'll do the 3% is the wastage only, and then the total quantity of the cement will take the 0.43, 0.24 percent, sorry, 0.4 0.24, and then unit of cement is always bags, and the rate of cement will take, we are taking how much? 140. Okay, so once we have the rate and the total quantity, then we can multiply. Let's multiply 140 into 140 into 0.0.24. How much it will come? It will be 33.6, 33.09. We have to edit this, and this is mistake, so you have to edit this. How much? 33.6. Okay, 33.6. So you have to write the accurate or not more, not less. Okay, so now coming to material of fly ash. Fly ash material, if you work for fly ash materials quantity, how much we have to take the fly ash quantity? You have to take the 0.08, and the wastage we have to do the 3%. Total quantity we have to take the 0.08, and the unit always will be bags only, and the rate we are going to take, the rate is 50. So again we are going to multiply rate, we have total quantity we have, then so we can what? We can multiply this 50 into 0.08. Okay, if you then 4. So here you have to write the 4, so don't write the 3.394. This is the accurate exactly 4, so we have to write the 4. So now coming to the material grit quantity, we have to take the 0.0161. Okay, volume, and then this time we have to do the 20% of the no wastage percentage of the grit is 20%, and the total quantity of the grit is how much? 0.0193. Okay, and this unit of grit is cubic. Okay, how much grit? Rate of grit is 229.32. So once we have the two value, again we can multiply 229.32 into 0.01 0.0193. If you do, then how much it will be? 0.4.42. This is absolutely correct, so no need to do the addition. uh, Now coming to aggregate, how much it is? Aggregate we have to take the how much? Aggregate quantity we have to take the 0.04540. Okay, 0.50, and wastage percentage, this time you have to do the how much? Wastage percentage you have to do the 5% only for this slab, and the total quantity you have to take for this slab is how much? Aggregate you have to take the 0.0473, and the aggregate unit is always weak. Okay, so and the rate of aggregate is how much? 493.92. Let's multiply how much it is coming. 493.92 into 0.0479, 0.0473 is equal to 23.36. 23, this time we have to edit this 23.36. Okay, 23.36. Okay, So this we have to write. So now total material cost is how much? After multiplication, let's check it is correct or not. 3.60 plus 4 plus 4.42 plus, okay, 4.42, 4.42, sorry, let's clear, do again, 3.60 plus 4 plus 4.42 plus and 3.36, 65.38, 65.38, this is absolutely correct. And then this time we are not using the labor. Okay, this material you have not used the materials, labor, so this will be, the cost will be 0. And then this time, because the, so the material is very less, so we can keep our material by yourself in the transport. Okay, so you can bring this all materials in home by yourself, so don't use this. So this will be the 65.38. Okay, so we have slab 3. Now we are going to prepare again, 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 SU 4SU8, 4SU8. This is the, this is cement, this is sand, this is aggregate. Okay, so we are going to prepare for the, so we are going to prepare the PCC. So for 1 cubic. Okay, so to prepare and to estimate the rate analysis for the PCC, we use the material, same material we'll use. Okay, which material we'll use? We'll use the cement, fly ash, and grit and aggregate. Okay, so quantity you will use the cement. How much quantity of cement will be? 2.72, and the percentage you will use the 3%. Total quantity 2.80, and the bag cement unit is always in bag. So bag, and the rate is 140. So let's multiply how much it is coming. Okay, so 140. Let's clear. 140 into 140 into 2.80. How much it is? 392. So 392 only. So let's edit. This is the wrong. So 392 we have to write 392 only, not more, not less. 392 only. Okay, so this much amount. Now fly as this time we have taken the quantity how much? 0.68 only. And we are wastage percentage of the fly ash is 3%, and total quantity we have taken the 0.70, and the fly ash unit we have taken the bags, and the rate is how much? 50. So multiply this to 50 into 0.70 is equal to how much? 35. So this is again we have to edit this. Okay, so this is not approximately, exactly not 35, so we make it 35 exactly. So exactly only. Okay, so grit quantity we are taking this time 0.47, and the wastage percentage you have to take how much? Wastage percentage you have to take 20%, and then total quantity you have to take the 0.56 cubic. Okay, and the rate you have to take the how much? Rate you have to rate of the grid is how much? 229.32. So once you have the rate and the total quantity, you can multiply. Let's multiply how much it is coming. 229.32 multiply 229 multiply 0.0.56 is equal to 129.41. So how much it is coming? 128.41. But our calculation is 120. So this time we have to read it 129, 128.41. This much only we have to edit this value. 128.41. How much? 128.41 only. Okay, so after editing this, coming to aggregate. So this time how much quantity aggregate we have to take? We have to take the 0.95 volume only. and the wastage percentage of the aggregate is how much? 5%. And the total quantity, again you have to take the one only. Okay, one. And the aggregate unit is always cubic. Okay, so and the rate of aggregate is always 493. No, rate this time rate of aggregate is 493.92. Let's multiply how much it is coming. 490.92 multiply this. If you do, then if you multiply 0.9 time, how much is it coming? 469. Oh, sorry, so we have to taken the wrong value. So 493, if you multiply by 1, this will be 490, same value, but here the 492.69. This, so again you have to edit this. Let's edit this. 493.92. So if you multiply by 1, this will be same value only, not more not less. So same. Now let's check this total material cost, it is correct or not. Here it is the 1049.33. So let's multiply 392 plus 35 plus 128.41 plus 493.92 equals to how much? 1048. 1049.33. Okay, 1049.33. And the total labor cost is 0. And the this time we have not used the labor, so we don't add the labor cost here of 1049.33. So once we know this, then after total cost will be 1049.33 only. So we have done for the first PC. We are similarly we will do the second PCC. Same thing, only we will take the what value will be more or less. Okay. This time we the same value. Material will be the same: cement, fly ash, grit, aggregate. Okay, so quantity we don't take this time to make this PCC. Okay, 1:4:8 cement, sand, aggregate. We don't take the cement and we don't take the fly ash for this PCC. Okay, so we neglect this. So we take only grit and aggregate. So grit quantity we will take the 0.47, and the wastage percentage of the grit will take the 20%. The total quantity will take the 0.56, and the unit of grit is cubic, and the rate of grit is 229. And once we get the rate and the total quantity multiply, we can multiply. Let's multiply how much it is coming. So 0.56 and multiply by 229.32. How much it is coming? 128.41. But our answer is our value is how much? Our value is 0.56 into 2, our how much? 129. So we 128.41. So write this 128.41. So let's write solution. Okay. So now coming to aggregate. So coming to aggregate, we will take the quantity how much? 0.95 only, and the wastage percentage this time we will take the 5%, and the total quantity will take the 1, and the unit will take the cubic. Okay, and the rate of the aggregate is this time same, 93.92. So let's multiply. If you multiply 493 by 1, no, then this will be with 1, then this will be the same value. So we have to edit this, we have to edit this value. Okay, so we have to edit this value. Let's edit this value 493.92. Okay, okay, so let's check this value. Total material cost is correct or wrong. Let's check. Okay, 128.41 plus 493.92. Is it right or wrong? So is it absolutely correct? So no need to edit this value. Okay, so once we get this, see, this time we have taken the labor. Okay, we have used the labor. So labor charges is labor cost is how much? 185 we have given to the labor. So we have value. Add this 185 more, and how much it is? 100 807.33. Okay, so now this is the absolutely correct. Okay, so now coming to third PCC. To prepare this third PCC, you have to do what? Will use the same material, but quantity and wastage of the material will be the different vary, and the okay rate also will be vary. Okay, so cement, how much? Third PCC cement quantity we have taken the 2.72, and the wastage percentage of the cement we have taken the 3% only, and the total quantity we have taken the how much? 2.80 only. Cement unit is always in bag, and the rate of cement is 140. Okay, so once we know the rate and the total quantity, we can multiply. Let's multiply how much it is coming. So 140 multiply by how much? 2.80 so this is approximately not, this is exactly exceeded this value. This is not accurately correct. So 392 only accurate. So we have to make after multiplication what value is coming, that value we have to write in this column. Okay, so fly ash, so we have taken the quantity how much? 0.68. Wastage 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 percentage of the fly ash 3%, and the total quantity of fly ash is how much? 0.70, and then unit of fly ash is bags, and then rate of fly ash is 50 only. Okay, so once we have the two value again, we can multiply. Let's multiply. Our answer is right or wrong, we'll check this. Okay, 50 into 50 into 50 into 0.70. If you do, then how much it is given? 35 only. So our calculation here is wrong, so edit this value. Okay, 35 exactly 35 you have to write here. 35. Okay, so 35 only. Okay, so this we have done. Now grit, and coming to grit material quantity, we will take this time grit only 0.47. Wastage we will do the grit only 20%. The total quantity of the grit we will take the only 0.56, and the unit of grit is always cubic. Okay, and the rate of grit is 129.32. Let's multiply. Our answer is right or wrong? 229.32 into 0.56. If you do, then how much it is coming? 120. This is mistake. Okay, so you 128.41 is coming, so we have to edit this value. Okay, so let's edit. Okay, 100 we have to write, so we have to write that same value. Okay, now aggregate, now aggregate we have 0.95 volume, and then we are doing, this time we are doing the aggregate only 5%, and the quantity total we are taking only one, approximately one. So now the aggregate unit is cubics always. So rate of aggregate is 493.92. So let's multiply, and accurate coming or not. Okay, 493.92 493.92 into 1. If you multiply by 1, this will be the same value only. So here are some decimal, are decimal is different, so we will edit this value. Okay, let's edit this value. 493 point how much? 92. So we will write this value here. Okay, after writing this, we will sum this all value. Okay, materials. Okay, the total material cost will be how much? This much. Let's check this value whether this is right or wrong. 392 plus 35 plus 128.41 plus 493.92 equal to how much? 1049.33. Yes, it is absolutely correct. This time we have not used the labor, so we will neglect the labor cost. Okay, labor value. Okay, so again we will do the same. For PCC, PCC 4, PCC third we have done, PCC 4 will do. See, in previous PCC, how much we have used? We have used only 1 ratio 4 ratio 8, but this time we will use for the PCC how much ratio? 1 ratio 2 ratio 4. Okay, so this is actually, this is the what you are seeing here. As you can see, this is nothing but this is the grade of the concrete. Ratio is in grade of concrete, so you have to 1 ratio 2 ratio 4. Okay, so for PCC 4, what we will do? Same thing will do. The cement will take the material, pliers will take, grit will take, and material will take, aggregate will take, and we will sum this all, and then we will, as you can see, how much? 5.04, wastage 3%, and total quantity we have taken this. We will sum this, then how much this you can see, as you can see, as you can see. Let's multiply. This is coming or not? 5.19 into 140. How much? 700. 726.66. This we have to edit this 26. 726.6. Okay, 726.6 only. Okay, so write this much only. Pliers is how much? Total quantity is 1.30. Multiply this with 1.30 into, if you do, then how much it is coming? 65. So right, exactly 1.2, then how much it is coming? Then how much it is coming? 63, 63, 63. So let's multiply. Let's do this again. 50 multiply 1.30. If you do in, then how much is 65? So we did this value. Okay. Oh, sorry. This is exactly 65. So write down here 65. 65 only. Again, bring the 0.4, quantity 0.44, volume only, and then total quantity we have 0.53. Okay, 20%. This time 20%. Again multiply this to. If we multiply, then how much it is coming? Let's check. Okay, and 0.53. Okay, okay into okay into okay into 229.32. How much it is coming? 121.53. 121.53. So 121.08 only. So we have, let's edit this value. Okay, 121.53. 121.53. 121 point how much? 53. So write down the accurate value here, not more not less. Okay, aggregate. So for a quantity aggregate, we have taken the quantity how much? 0.9 on the 0.9 on the 0.9 on the 0.92, 0.92, and the aggregate unit is always cubic. Okay, so our rate of aggregate is 493.92, and then after multiplying 0.0.92 into 0.92 into 493.92, if you do, then how much it is coming? 454. Okay, 0.92 into 493.92. Okay, so this much, 454.40. Okay, 4.40, 4.40. Okay, so 40. Okay, so this much we have to, let's see. Okay, 454.40. So this is correct now. So now let's check this total material, correct or wrong? Correct or wrong? So 726.60 plus 65 plus 121.53 454.40 equals to how much? 1467.53. So this is absolutely correct. So no need to edit this value. Okay. After, now we are doing for the sixth. Okay, fifth. Okay, this was the fourth PCC, and then now we are doing for the fifth PCC. Same. This time we will not take the cement, we will not take the fly ash, and we will take only the grit and the aggregate. So after taking the grit and aggregates, you can see the calculation. We will check only the calculation, either it is wrong or right. See, our total quantity is how much? Our total quantity is 0.53 into 229.32. If you do, how much it is coming? 121.53. So let's edit this value. 121.53. 121.53. That's coming. So we will write the same value, not more, not less. And aggregate here, quantity we have taken the 0.88, and the wastage percentage of the aggregate is how much? So wastage percentage is how much? 5% only. And the total and the total and the total and the total quantity is how much? 0.92. And then let's multiply. Either the answer is right or wrong. 0.92 into 493.92. How much it is coming? 454.40. We'll edit this value. We'll edit this value. We'll edit this value. We'll edit this value. Let's say we'll edit this value. Okay. How much it is? 154. 154. Okay. 454. Okay. 454.40. Point 40. Okay, so we'll write this. After doing this, let's check this. Let's check this total material cost is right or wrong. 121.53 plus 450.40. Okay, how much? 575.9. Now this time this is correct. We will not edit this. We will not edit this value. Okay, now this time we have used the labor. Okay, so we have taken the labor also. So we'll use the labor cost 187 plus 180, sorry, 187. How much it is coming? 762.93. So this is accurately correct. So we will not edit this value. Okay, now coming to CC number 4. So what to do? Same ratio we have taken, the 1:2:4. Okay, so same material, this time we will not neglect anything. Okay, so cement we have taken the 5.04. Wastage material we have taken 3% only. Total quantity we have taken the 5.19. The unit cement is always in bag. Rate 140, and the amount we have taken the how much? We'll check this after multiplying this much coming or not. 140 into 5 into 5.19. So 0.77. So we will edit this value. So how much it is? 726.6. So we'll write the same value here. Again we have the total quantity and the rate. We'll check the this value 1.3 1.3 1.3 1.30 into so 50. Okay, so 50, so much 65. So we will write the exactly 65. Now we have to edit this value 65. 65, write on 65 only. Now we will again have the grid. We have 0. So 0 0.53 into 200 is how much? 120 is how much? 121.53. So this amount is mistake. So 121.53. 121.53. Okay. So we total quantity how much? 0.92, and the rate 0. 0.92 into 493.92 equals to 454. So we will edit this value because this is correct, so not absolutely correct. So exact value, write the exact value, write the exact value, exact value, exact value. So, so let's check this value. Total material cost is calculation is right or wrong. So if we sum this all, let's check this is coming or not. 1367.53 is coming or not. 700 plus 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 65 plus 121.53 plus 454.40, okay, equal to how much? 1367.53. 1367.53. This is so 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 now we are going 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 to prepare now we are going to prepare now we are going mild steel, mild steel, okay. So mild steel, so for mild steel also we will take the mild steel binding wire. We will material will be for the item mild steel. We use the material which we will use the material mild steel, binding wire, cover block, okay, cover block. So mild steel quantity we have taken only one. Wastage material we are doing the quantity we have only total quantity we have taken the 1.05, and the mild steel unit is always ton only, okay, ton, because we are calculating this mild steel in ton. 1 ton, 2 ton, 3 ton, this no, depending on this, okay. So now we have the rate of the mild. 1 ton is how much? 1.05 ton is how much? 21,000. So let's multiply how much it is. Let's check this value. 1.05 if you do 5 we have here finding where finding where finding where and buyer and buyer and buyer and how much quantity and how much quantity and how much quantity and how much quantity wasted. So you rate so you rate is how much? 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 25. So it 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 is how much? 25. So we multiply 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 with 25. We multiply with 25. We multiply with 25. We multiply with 25 with 25 with 25 with 25 with 25. How much is that? How much is that? How much is that? How much it is coming? How much it is coming? 250, 200, 250 it is. Mild steel we have taken how much? Quantity 1 only, and wastage material for this we have taken the 7% only. So now the total quantity became the how much? 1.07 unit is. And steel unit of mild steel is always a ton only, okay. The rate of mild steel is how much? 21,000. So the overall how much, if we do the calculation, how much it will come? So let's do the calculation, okay. Okay, here first, okay, here first, okay. Let the calculator PC is becoming hang, PC is becoming hang, PC is becoming hang, PC is becoming hanging, okay, becoming hanging, okay, becoming hanging, okay, hanging, okay, hanging, okay. So 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 see, okay. So let this let this let this file we open, okay, calculator option. So now to calculate this, let so we close. How much we are going to calculate? See, we are going to calculate. See, we have total quantity we have, then rate we have. Let's calculate this. 21,000 into how much? Into 1.0 is equal to how much? 22,470. This absolutely absolutely correct. Okay, so for binding, okay, we have taken the quantity, we have taken the quantity 10 and taken the quantity 10. We have taken the 10.50, binding wire is always in kg. Okay, so we measure the binding wire in kg, so this will be a unit, will so kg. So rate of the binding wire is 25. Okay, so now we have apply this, now we have rate, and then we have total 25 into how much, 25.50, how much it will come, it will come 206 approximate. So this is approximate, absolutely correct. So let's do the what. We have 22,000, 2000, uh, uh, 700, 700, it's, uh, 10, 10, 10, 2004, 10 plus 2 point 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 50 point 22,732.50. So this is absolutely correct. So no more to do this, no need to do the edit. Okay, okay. So now we are going to do the calculation for the torsion steel. Okay, um, um, towards the means we, okay, so how much torsion, okay, so how much we bend for that, that calculation we are going to do the for that, okay. So for this torsion steel, we have taken the material torsion steel, we have taken the zero, no zero quantity we have taken, so it will be zero, and for this we have only taken the quantity, quantity 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 we have taken the 5%, 5%, 10.50, and the 10.50. So rate 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 of bending rate of bending rate of bending rate of bending varies how multiply this. Okay, okay. Since we have quantity and now total rate, so rate so 10.50 point into so 25, so it will be how much, 62.5. This is absolutely, so this is absolutely correct. Now we total labor, total 262.50 only, 22 2000, so only. So if we sum this, then how much, 2050, 2250, in how much, it will come, add this in 262.50, this will come 2512. So, so, so this is also absolutely correct. So so also 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 same for the torsion steel, two two, and this is okay, you can calculate for it. We are moving, so now we are moving to moving for the what, moving for the EM 25 grade of concrete. How we use the EM grade of EM 25 grade of concrete for column, beam, slabs, and sajjas. So so for this, what to do is, see, we take the materials, we take the quantity, we take the wastage percentage of the quantity, total quantity. We take the we write the rate of this, materials, all these materials, like cement, plasticizers are liquid. Okay, amount here, and the amount here, and then after writing the, we calculate for it. Okay, 0.72 volume only, to volume only, and volume only, and wastage, and wastage and for this year we have taken the one, 140, we have taken the 140, so so it 40, so it may so it may so it may so it may it may it may it may it may increase or it may increase or it may increase or it may increase or decreases 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 no every year. Now then once we know on the rate on the rate on the rate on the rate, now we can do now we can do later on later on let this value let's check this value let's check either this is right or wrong and this is 6.92 in 14140. Okay, if you sub will make you export in civil engineer work. Okay, so okay okay so hit the bell icon so that you can get notification. Okay, so how much it is coming 6.92 into now I have not got the opportunity to monetize my channel. So why I am no subscribe and no the bell icon monetize my channel because no I have not channel so my YouTube channel. So if you subscribe 1,000 subscribers, okay, and 4,000 watch time hours, so then easily I can monetize my channel. So for that purpose I'm making videos, okay, and I'm making informative videos for the civil engineers. If you subscribe to my channel, you okay, so I'll make you export okay. This is so how much 0.8, okay, 0.8, okay, 0.8, okay. So we have this time this is the this value because this is the wrong, okay. So how much is there? So let's get this. mm, so how much it is? So how much it is? So how much it is? In my SSD in my PT will be automatic. PT will be automatic. PT will be automatically. It will be automatically. It will be automatically. It will be automatically. See, it is see. It's difficult. It's difficult, no? So to make you understand, see somehow. So 968.8 68.8. This much we have to write here. 100 it's loading. Okay. 9. I have to erase this. I have to erase this. I have to erase this. Okay. 968. I have wrote it. I have wrote it. I have wrote it here again. 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 I have written okay. Flyers. 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 So how much? So how much? We have to take the 1.6. Take the 1.6. Take the 1.6. Take the one of flyers. Flyers. And only we have to waste this uh, uh, about 3% only. And then total quantity of the flyers we have to take the how much? For M25 grade of concrete only 1.73, and the unit of fly ash always will be bags, okay, and the rate of quantity total quantity so multiply 0.5 86.50 0.50 it is 0 it is 6 point so right 6.50 okay 0 okay. Now grid materials grid we have quantity of the grid we have taken the 0.40 only. Wastage percentage of the grid we have taken the how much 10%. Wastage we have done 10%, okay. Total quantity we have taken the grid is how much 0.44. So and the unit of grid is always in cubics, okay. So we don't change this unit here. And then it will come. So how much it will come? So how much it will come? So how much it will come? It will come. It will come. Let's come. Let's come. Let's check. Okay. 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 So we are going to check this. We are going to check this value 0.44 into 229 point how much 32 is how much 100.90. This is absolutely correct. No need to edit this value. Okay. Now Coming to aggregate 0.95, 0.95, 95, 95. The wastage material we have taken the 5%, and the total quantity this time we have taken the one only, and then unit of aggregate is always in cubics, okay, cubics, and the rate of the aggregate is how much? 493, 493.92. So this time if you multiply 493.92 with 1, then this will be how much? Same value only. So this time we have to edit this value. So how much it is? So we'll write that as it is point point 92, 92, 92. Now coming to plasticizer quantity we have taken the 1.414, and the wastage percentage of the plasticizer we have taken only 5%. This time we are wasting only 5% of the plasticizer. And then total quantity we have taken how much? Total quantity of the plasticizer we have taken the 1.20. And similarly unit of the plasticizer is always how much? Liter, okay, because this is the liquid, okay. So now rate of the plasticizer is how much? Plasticizer is 40. So once we know the rate and the total quantity, then we can easily calculate the amount, okay. So now we are going to calculate. So now we are going to calculate for it. Okay. So how much it is? So rate we know rate is 40, and then how much total quantity? How much total quantity is 1.20, 1.20. If we multiply, then how much it is? 48. So here it is. So accurate we have to write here. So it is 48. So we have to edit this value 48. Write on this and edit this value here and keep as it is here. So now we'll check the this value. Okay, total material cost value. Either it is coming on. Let's check in calculator. 968.80 plus 86.50 plus 100.90 plus 493.92 plus 48 is how much? 1698.12. This means absolutely correct. So this time we have not used the labor for it, okay. So these all are the no very weightless materials, so we can keep this by ourselves in transport, okay. So, so after a total calculation, if we sum this all, then this will come total cost how much? 1698.12, okay. So similarly we are doing the how much for PCC 1 ratio 3 ratio 6, okay. Cement sand aggregate, this is 1 is cement, 3 is sand, and this 6 is aggregate. So for this we have taken the cement yes, value will be no change, okay. Gauge and materials, and cement how much quantity we have taken 3.60, and wastage this time we are doing the wasting of 3.3% only. Total quantity we are taking this time is how much? 3.71%. Unit of cement is bag only, rate is 140. So this will be, let's check this value how much it is coming. Let's check this value 140 into 3.71. If we were doing how much it is coming, same 519.4, but it is here how much we have rated this value, okay. 40 we have to write down, 40 we have to write down here 519.40. So this value we have to write down here, okay. 519.40, this is absolutely correct. So we have written this, okay. So now coming to flyers, how much flyer quantity we have to take? Flyers 0.72, and then we are wasting, this time we are wasting only 3% of the flyers quantity. This time we are taking the flyers is how much? 0.74, 0.74, and the unit of the flyers is bags only, and then it is 50, flyers is 50. So we know now rate and the total quantity. So now multiplying this value get with the total quantity will be how much? 50 into 0.74 is how much? 37, and here it is this 37 only, and here is amount 08. So we have to edit 08. So we have to edit this value. 47 exactly we have to write down in this value here amount is okay or no or less okay exactly. So grid quantity we have taken the 0.47 and wastage material this time we have done the grid is 20% and total quantity we are doing this is total quantity we have taken the 0.56 and the grid is unit of grid is how much always in cumex okay and the rate of the grid is given 229.32. Let's multiply, let's check this value 229.32 into 0.56 0.56 is equal to 128.41 so this value will be changed 128.41 okay so as it is now coming to aggregate how much we have taken aggregate we have taken the quantity we have taken the 0.95 and then wastage material we have taken the 5% only and the total quantity of the aggregate we have taken the 1 and the unit of the aggregate is Umex only and the rate of the aggregate is 493.92. Let's check this value so 493.92 into 1 if we multiply 493.92 with 1 then this will be the same value so this is the some mistakes in this so we have to edit this value 493.92 okay so same value we have to write and let's check this okay total material cost value is this much coming or not okay 1470 point for 1478.73 is coming or not so let's clear this first 519.40 plus 37 plus 128.41 plus 793.92 and how much it is if we do then how much it is coming 1478.73 okay it means it is absolutely correct so no more to do addition okay this value okay now coming to concrete pouring okay including handling of the cement okay so how much concrete we are going to pour okay so then these things we are going to write so total quantity we are going to take volume we are going to take 1 and this unit of the concrete pouring is always unit is always in and the rate of the concrete pouring is 180 okay multiplying 180 with 1 will be 180 only okay and the curing total quantity is 1 okay and then similarly unit of the curing is qmex and the curing rate is we have taken the 10 only so this is so 10 with 1 if 10 will multiply with 1 this will be 10 only now now this is no more required okay so hacking okay so 1 total quantity is 1 and then the unit is mix okay so including housekeeping we have a miscellaneous value we have taken the 1 quantity 1 and the qmix unit is always miscellaneous housekeeping unit is always qmix okay and the rate miscellaneous including housekeeping rate we have taken the 10 so multiply with 10 multiply with 1 this will be the 10 only total this time we labor cost this time we have taken the 200 okay so this time labor cost has been charged okay here so now let's sum this all value how much it will come okay so let's check this value it is correct or not okay so 1400 the plus 180 plus 180 plus 10 plus how much again we have to do the addition of the labor cost value okay again plus 2 so so 1800 78.73 it means oh sorry okay so now not this okay so let's check this first of all this much is for we have total cost is let's check this value 500 we'll check this value 519.40 plus 37 plus 3120 plus 128.41 plus 793.92 is equal to 80. This is 1478. This is absolutely clear. Okay, so from here now 1478.73 plus 180 plus this 10 and this 10 will be how much? 20. So plus 20 plus this will be 200. So how much? 22. So we have to 22. So we have to edit this value. Okay. So we have to do the this is how much? 1878. This 1878. This is wrong. So we are going to edit this value 1800 1878. Okay. 1878.73. Okay. 73. Okay. So this value we have to write on here. Okay. 1800 78.73. So in this way you can calculate the what? You can calculate for the rate analysis of any construction of the materials. Okay. So hopefully I think you all civil engineers like this video. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get upcoming notification in your YouTube channel. Okay. In so tata, till then, tata, bye bye. See you in next video, guys. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Okay.